how much should you actually spend on a bathroom mirror with a shelf? It's a bit interesting because you can find cheap options that look great, but are they actually worth it? Today, we're diving into 5 mirrors that promise both style and function so you can make the best choice. Product number 1, LOAO Matte Black Mirror. The LOAO 20x 16-inch black metal framed bathroom mirror caught my eye right away with its sleek matte black finish. Priced at just $32.99, it's a bestseller for a reason. If you want a stylish, sturdy mirror that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. This mirror offers a clear reflection with no distortion thanks to the HD float glass. That means when you're getting ready, you can trust what you see, no surprises. The shatterproof design and rust-proof aluminum frame ensure durability, which is huge if you live in a humid climate. It's also incredibly easy to hang with 2 sturdy Z-bar brackets, so you won't be wrestling with tools for hours. Now, some people did mention that the black finish can scratch more easily than they expected. Here's the thing though, if you treat it with a little care, it should last you quite a long time without any serious issues. It's also perfect for various decor styles from farmhouse to modern. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish, budget-friendly mirror that also offers durability. Skip this one if you're set on something more ornate or if you need a mirror with built-in storage. Honestly, for the price, you're getting great value here. Now, if the lack of built-in storage in the LOAO mirror bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for maximizing space. Product number 2, Kohler Medicine Cabinet Mirror. Next up is the Kohler CB-CLC 2026 FS Frameless Bathroom Mirror Cabinet. At $183.60, it's a bit pricier, but with over 6,100 reviews showing a solid 4.5-star rating, you can see why it's popular. If you want a mirror that doubles as a storage solution, this one deserves your attention. The beveled edges add a touch of sophistication, making it not just functional but also a beautiful addition to your bathroom. The 2-way adjustable hinges allow the door to open a generous 108 degrees, giving you easy access to everything inside. However, some users found the installation instructions a bit confusing. Now I get it, no one wants a headache when hanging a mirror. But once you get it up, the quality and convenience really shine. It's a stylish way to keep your bathroom tidy and chic. This is perfect for you if you want a mirror that also provides ample storage space. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer a simple wall mirror without the cabinet features. For what you get, it's a smart investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next product might just tickle your fancy if you prefer a more compact setup. Product number 3, Toiletry Fogless Shower Mirror. If you're tired of fog ruining your shaving routine in the shower, the Toiletry Products Fogless Shower Mirror might be just what you need. At $34.95, it's a fantastic option for those who want functionality without breaking the bank. If convenience is key for you, this mirror is worth checking out. The design is pretty clever. It has a removable water chamber that you fill with warm water, which prevents fog from forming while you shave. You'll love the crystal clear view without having to wipe it down every few minutes. Plus, it's rust-proof and impact-resistant, so it's designed to last in a wet environment. However, some customers reported that it can be tricky to get the suction to stick properly. Here's the thing though, if you prepare the surface right, it should stay put just fine. It's all about that initial setup, and once you nail it, you're golden. This is perfect for you if you want a practical solution for shaving or makeup in the shower. Skip this one if you prefer a traditional mirror setup outside the shower. At under $35, it's a great addition for busy mornings. Now, if you want something specifically designed for your shower without any hassle, the next option is a great choice. Product number 4, Koffel Adhesive Shower Caddy. Looking for a way to maximize your bathroom space without drilling holes? The Koffel Adhesive Shower Caddy is just $8.59 and is perfect for adding some extra storage without the commitment. If you need more organization, this one is worth your time. Made from durable acrylic, these shelves are lightweight yet sturdy. They easily adhere to smooth surfaces and come with drainage holes to prevent water buildup. This is especially handy in a bathroom where moisture is a constant concern. Plus, you can use them for small items in various rooms, not just the bathroom. That said, some users felt the adhesive didn't hold as well as expected after a while. But honestly, as long as you follow the installation instructions and allow it to set properly, you should be fine. It's a practical, inexpensive way to declutter your space. This is perfect for you if you want simple, no-drill storage for your bathroom items. Skip this one if you need something heavy-duty or if your walls aren't suitable for adhesive. For the low price, you can't really go wrong here. Now, if you're looking for a shaving mirror that's easy to install and portable, the next product is a must-see. Product number 5, TAILI Fogless Shower Mirror. Last but not least, we have the TAILI Fogless Shower Mirror, priced at $21.99. This one stands out for its super easy installation and portability. If you want a no-fuss shaving mirror, keep listening because this might be the one for you. The TAILI mirror uses a powerful suction cup that holds up to 11 pounds, making it reliable for various bathroom surfaces. It's made from acrylic, which is shatterproof and safe around kids or pets. Plus, it has a razor holder, so everything you need for your grooming routine is right at hand. However, a few reviews mention that the suction doesn't work on uneven surfaces, which can be a deal breaker for some. I'll be real with you, if you have smooth tiles, it will work beautifully, but if your bathroom has texture, you might want to consider other options. This is perfect for you if you want a portable, easy-to-set-up mirror for shaving or personal grooming. Skip this one if your bathroom walls aren't suitable for suction cups. At this price point, it's an excellent addition for anyone who wants to shave in the shower without hassle. So to recap, the LOAAO mirror gives you a stylish option on a budget. The Kohler adds storage elegance, the toiletry solves fog issues, the Koffel Caddy offers simple organization, and the TAILI mirror provides easy installation. Each mirror has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all aim to make your bathroom experience better. Choose the one that fits your needs best.